Hey there. Gosh, we're out riding. Well, this is my first time riding out here in Yuma. It's awesome. I was really nervous, but hey, once you get the hang of it, you ride. Right now my husband is riding with his friend. I'm just chillaxing back over here, waiting. Sunday, and I'm finally doing my garden out here in Yuma. Yes, it's not big, it's small. I made it. Now we just need to put the stuff that we bought at Lowe's and then dirt and my seeds, and hopefully everything will go good. Because out in North Carolina, I feel like because it rained a lot, I had a hard time, right babe?
Mm-hmm. Too much water.
Now we're gonna level this dirt so I could put my box in there. Maybe it's putting the last of what?
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Right.
And then the next bag, or the next
time.
Yeah. I have some. Hopefully, I don't know if this is too small. It might be, but we'll see if any of them grow. I got peppers. Yee.